just do our best every day to work for a better country. Tapos ganito, that's what they treat us. That's how they treat you. Bakit naman ganyan? Anong klaseng, wala nang batas, wala na, there's nothing in this country, wala na pong batas na nag-work. No.
Ace, pwede magtanong.
Go ahead,
Yes,
Jason.
next question, please. Yes, attorney, do you consider this po, itong nangyayari po sa inyo ngayon as an injustice? Do you consider your situation as a form of harassment? And my follow-up question po, attorney, sa nangyayari po ngayon, sa ginagawa po sa Office of the Vice President, can we still trust this government?
And, is it on mute? Is it on mute? No.
Can you hear us
No.
po?
You're online, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead.
Sorry.
Alam mo, I would not have pushed that bed by myself if I did not feel that I was being threatened. My life is being threatened. Alam niyo, I'm sure you saw in the hearing that my back hurts. I cannot parang lift heavy things. I cannot. But dahil natakot ako, I feared for my life. I really pushed that by myself. Because hindi lang to harassment. This is really a threat to my life. They gang up on you in the middle of the night? Huh? How is that done? This is not a threat to my life. Alam nila that I'm sick. I have said that repeatedly when their doctor came here. They bring 9, 10 people to serve you in the middle of the night in your pajamas. This is a threat to my life. It's not harassment.
Yes, ma'am, we feel you. That's what they did po sa Kingdom of Jesus Christ. But my follow-up question, ma'am, can we still trust this government sa nangyayari po ngayon sa OVP, sa ginagawa po nila against the Office of the Vice President? Can we still trust this government?
Wala nang batas sa bansang ito. Wala na pong batas. Kawawa naman po ang Pilipino.
Ouch.
Ayoko na. Masakit na rin po. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Jay.
I hope pwede tayo magtanong, ano?
No.
Nag-message ako, Friday.
Mag-rest ka na. And then, nasaan na yung Dr. Nix?
Wait lang po na.
I called the ambulance. Ito na ambulance. Ayun tayo papasukin.
Yeah,
Maybe
pumasok ako.
you can let the whole thing. Yeah, ito na yung ambulance here right now. Yeah.
Pumasok ako sa Zoom meeting eh. Pero,
Ian, video mo
Hi.
ay papasukin yung ambulance siya.
She cannot do it anymore. I think collapse na ata ito. I've never seen her cry like that. Sa tagal-tagal
Ma'am?
namin.
Ma'am? Ma'am,
Ma'am?
red po, red po, red po, ma'am.
Red, excuse me, can we give chances to others muna?
Okay, maybe who's Ray Salita? After Ray, can we please have Maharlika after Ray? Okay, Mr. Ray Salita, please.
Ma'am, can I interrupt for a while? Kasi po nandito na po yung ambulance sa North Gate. Pero ayaw siya papasukin ng HOR. Sir.
Ito yung doktor. Kasi she's hysterical. Hindi namin siya makontrol. Kanina pa yung iyak ng iyak dito.
Ano po yung health care pero buwan niya? May ambulance na please. Ha? Dahil po meron, gusto ko kayo meron sa emergency.
Kung maintindihan ba, mga government employee, walang puntahan. Ano na lang yung mga tao dyan sa daan? Yung mga tao na walang kilalang vice president, walang kilalang politiko. Saan sila papunta?
Sir, buhay ko na. Naka-zoom kasi ako, naka-live na zoom yung ano ko.
Okay. So, she seemed consolable. Can I just, moderate? JC, ako na lang mag-moderate. You can hear me, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Jason, you're raising your hand.
Yes, ma'am. May question po. Sa nangyayari
Yes.
po ngayon, dito po sa Office of the Vice President, at ngayon, tinap na po nila yung mga kapulisan. Can we still trust this government, ma'am?
Sinabing na yun ako nagpe-preside.
Okay. Yes, sinabi ko na yan noong press con ko, di ba? Don't recognize anybody above me. Lagi nilang sinasabi disrespectful kami. Di ba? Sila yung disrespectful sa opisina ng Vice President. Kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa amin, yun lang din yung ginagawa namin sa kanila. Diba? Nagagawa ko yun. Kasi Vice President ako. Pero isipin nyo, yung ordinaryong mamamayan. Magagawa ba nila yon? Hindi. Tumatahimik na lang, tumitiklop na lang. Look at Secretary Harry Roque.
Yeah.
Ayaw umalis noon sa bansa. Kasi yung mga anak niya maiiwanan. Pero look at him. Umalis na lang. But no. Hindi. Bastos sila. Bastos din kami. Okay? Yes, Red. You're raising your hand.
Ay, ma'am, good morning po, ma'am. Sorry to ask this question kasi, of course, after this po, ma'am, magkakaroon naman po ng statement yung mga congressman natin, yung goons, sasabihin nila, it's all drama and all. Ay, siguro, ma'am, agahan nyo na po siguro i-rejoinder sa kanila kasi I know na after this, ma'am, magkakaroon na naman po sila ng statement, parang babaliktarin nila yung sitwasyon at babaliktarin nila yung opisina ninyo, ma'am. Siguro that's for me, for my edito, for my
Asan
last
yung
question.
nagtataas ng kamay na icon?
Okay.
Ay, sorry.
Hold on na. Okay. Yes. Kasi ganito yan. Alam natin lahat, di ba? Sobra kahayahay ang House of Representatives. Wala yan silang trabaho ng Friday. In fact, inaantay namin ang request, ang MR ni Attorney Lopez. Ang dali, kumakatok.
again mga kaibigan, medyo tumayo si BP Sara muna. Kasi-
Maharlika, nakita mo na.
Yeah, can I ask something?
You saw the ano, nasa
Yeah.
yung art.
Si Nicole? Yeah.
Excuse me.
Siguro, ititake ko na yung opportunity habang nakita ko na. Sorry na magsalita. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat at lalo-lalo sa ating Vice President, Inday Sara. Ako po ay nalulungkot actually. I'm very emotional right now na nakikita ko si Attorney Lopez na ginaganito. Nabanggit nga kanina ni Inday Sara, kanina na Locatari Roque, na talagang ito po ay political harassment.
Welcome to Team Sam TV, your channel for the latest news updates. Here, we break down the biggest stories from around the globe, covering everything from breaking news to politics. Whether you want to stay informed or just catch up on what's happening, we've got you covered. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest news. Join the Team Sam TV family, and let's explore the world together, one update at a time.